Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So we are having more word problem regarding square root, and here one of the question is Farmer Jack wants to fence his two fields. Find out how much fencing is needed in total. So Farmer Jack has got two fields. One is cornfield, other is carrot field. And the area of the cornfield is 5 kilometers square and carrot field is 10 kilometers square. Question is asking, find out how much fencing is needed in total. When fencing, or it is related to perimeter, right? And area is given. So area of the two fields is given, and question is asking, find out how much fencing is needed in total. Fencing is like all around the field. So here where I am making this dot, this is like a fencing, and when fencing is all along its sides, that means it is talking about perimeter. So perimeter is sum of all the sides, and we don't know sides. That means we need to find out the side of the square. If we know the sides of the square, which are all equal sides, of course, then we can add them all together to find out the perimeter, which is the fencing needed in total. In the last video, we also learned that how to find out side of a square if area is known. So we said area is equals to side into side. That means area is equals to side square. Or if you want to calculate side, that is the square root of area. So to calculate side of this cornfield, we have to take square root of 5. And to calculate the carrot field, we have to say s square is equals to a, side into side is area, and side is equals to under root a, that is area. And what is the carrot field area? 10 kilometers. So we have to take root of 10 kilometers. So this is side of a carrot field. This is carrot field. So square root 10 is 3.2 kilometers. So that means this side is 3.2 kilometers. Each side is 3.2 kilometer. And a square root of 5 is approx 2.2 kilometer. So this side is also, now we know that it is 2.2 kilometer. So what is perimeter of this carrot or cornfield? And perimeter of cornfield is equals to 4 times side. And side now we know. So perimeter of cornfield is 4 times 2.2 kilometer, which turns out as 8.8 kilometers. So this much is required for cornfield, right? Similarly, what is the perimeter for carrot field? So carrot field is perimeter of carrot field 4 times s, and here 4 times 3.2, which gives me 4 to the 8, 4 3 is the 12, 12.8 kilometer. So that means what total fencing is required for the two fields? Farmer Jack wants to fence his two fields. What are the two fields? Carrot field and corn fields. So total of the fencing required for two field, total fencing is equals to 8.8 kilometers plus 12.8 kilometers, which gives me 21.6 kilometers. So this much fencing is required. So this is my answer to part 1 or part A, which is find out how much fencing is needed in total. So total 21.6 kilometer fencing is required, right? Now the B part, the total amount of the fencing for both corn and carrot field is the same as needed to the wheat field. So he has got another field which is a bigger one, which is wheat field. So this is his wheat field. But in this question, he's saying that wheat field, the total amount of the fencing. So fencing means perimeter. So perimeter of wheat field. Perimeter of wheat field, question is saying the total amount of the fencing for both corn field and carrot field is the same as needed for wheat field. So what is perimeter for both the fields? Is the same, right? So perimeter of the wheat field is equals to how much? He's saying 21.6. So this is 21.6 for the wheat field. Question is asking, if wheat field is also a square, so it's a square wheat field, perimeter is known, what is the side length of this wheat field? So we have to find out side length, and we know that perimeter of the wheat field is given, which is 21.6 kilometer. And question is asking what is the side length of the wheat field. So perimeter is equals to 4 times S. So perimeter is given 21.6 is equals to 4 times S. That gives us S is equals to, or side is equals to 21.6 divided by 4, which gives me side is equals to 5.41 kilometers. So this way we have done our second part of the question. So this is our second part, B part. Sometimes C part is also associated with this question, which says that suppose I have a field, okay, my field is square 2, my field is square 2. So I also have a field which is square, and my field side length is 2 times side length of my field, is 2 times that of the jack wheel field, is 2 times that of the jack wheat field, Jack's wheat field. So what is jack field? Jack field is this, right? Jack's wheat field is whose perimeter is 21.6 kilometer and each side is 5.41. But my field is having 2 times. So my field side is 5.41, that is the wheat field of the jack, times 2. So my field has got 10.8 kilometer of side length. So my field is bigger. So question is asking, is my field area is also double than the jack's field? So now I have to calculate area of the field, my field area. So what is side of my field area? Is side into side. What is side of my field? 10.8. So 10.8 times 10.8. This is my field area, which is 116.64 kilometer. So if we multiply 10.8 times 10.8, it gives me my field area. But what is Jack's wheat field area? Jack's wheat field area is again side into side. Area is always for a square, side into side, and Jack's field side is 5.41 times 5.41, right? Which gives me 29.16. So this is area. Area is always kilometer square. So that means if my field side length is 2 times, that means area is not 2 times. Area is far more than that Jack's wheat field. Jack's wheat field area is 29 kilometers square and my field area is 116.6. So our answer will be no. No, my field area is far more than double than Jack's wheat area. Jack's field area or Jack's wheat fields area. Jack's wheat field area. So sometimes these are this is the third part of the question. So students should revise it by themselves, that what we are practicing here is area of a square is side into side, and if area is given, we can calculate the side of the square. So here the area is given, so we calculate the side of the cornfield, then we calculate the side of the carrot field, and the question was asking how much fencing is required for both field, and then we calculate the perimeter, because the perimeter is the required to calculate, and which is 4 times side, or side plus side plus side, 4 times, right? Side plus side plus side plus side, 4 times side is perimeter of each field. So we calculate separately and then we add them up to get our answer. So hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel to get and press the bell icon button to get the next video. Thank you for watching.